Hello YouTube, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike. Just been doing a little investigation with my noise that I've been having on the radio on 80 and 40, and I've put in the SDR and I've attached it to my end-fed half wave, which is what I use for 40 and 80, and turned on SDR Uno, and now the noise floor is quite high. I'm on about an S7, S6, S7 the noise, and let me just turn. So you can hear the noise in the background. Now the main lines that go down here, all of these I've just found out are my power supply for the radio. Now if I turn the radio's on at the moment, if I turn the radio off, as you see just there, it goes down a bit more faintly. And then if I turn the power supply off, as you can see, it dies off. And then when I turn the power supply back on, you'll see a little wavy line come up. And then I turn the radio on, and it's more vivid. So those I have found out, that's the power supply doing that. While the power supply is off, we tune to what's better, you can hear all the noise. So what I'll do next is I'm using, let me just get it. I'm actually using this for going around and checking for noise, and I'll switch to a little video now of when I walk around the block, especially to the house directly behind me, and I'll show you the noise that it makes on there. As I walk past this house, the scanner lights up with interference, and then as I go past his house, it then dies down. Let me just show you where the antennas and that are at the moment. So the wire antenna is up there, and then it goes to there, across to there, and to here. And the house that I think is that one there. So that's the house that I think it is. I shall show you a video of when I go past the house with the scanner, and show you about the noise. Now I'm not sure what I can do I can certainly talk to him, but if he doesn't want to comply, I'm not sure what else I can do. If you have any ideas, let me know, because my noise level on 80 is very bad. Now I can sort out the power supply issue, because I can just get another power supply. That's not an issue. But the rest of it is certainly an issue. I mean, I'm pretty sure on the last contest I did for the 80 meter RSGB CC competition contest, that the moment it turned 8 o'clock, you heard the noise floor just rise, and then that's where it made it completely difficult for me. It may be the fact of the way I've got the antenna set up, maybe. If anybody knows, however way I can do it. I mean, I've only got a small back garden, so having it straight in the air and straight along is going to be difficult. I do have the side of the house. Now, I moved the antenna from where it was, because the transformer was at the back, along the back fence. It was at the back on to about a metre off the ground. So I moved it from there and put it up on the mast, maybe to see if it helped with noise, but it doesn't, which is why I was doing the running around and checking to see if there was any other interference. Now, I'd done the house, because I thought maybe it was the solar panels, but I turned all the solar panels off, turned all the house stuff off, and ran it via a battery, and I still had the same type of noise, which is why I went out one night and checked on the scanner. So I'll just show you the video now, and then we'll be back. Right, so we're out and about. My house is there. And if we look here, okay, so no noise. That is the house. No noise. And then as I walk past, right, so I'm past the house. So, as we can see, there's some sort of noise from there. So, as you heard with the noise, I'm pretty sure it's that house. The house has wireless CCTV and it has a Ring doorbell, for what on which I'm told is quite a problem for noises apparently. What would anyone recommend that I need to do? Is it put the aerial in a different position? Would it be go and talk to them if they refuse to do anything about it? What else could I do? Do I contact Ofcom then, or what? There does seem a lot of noise coming from the house. I only have to walk across the front of the house, though going down the side of the house it quietens down. Yeah, going down the side of their house towards the back garden, it quietens down. But if I go down to the back of my garden and if I go down to the back of the garden with the scanner, it picks up all the noise as well, which is why I'm pretty sure it's coming from his house. So let me know what you think. Yeah, let me know what you think and see what else I could do. So on that one, thank you for watching, and tomorrow I'm pretty sure is the FT4 contest what I'll be doing. Tomorrow, yeah, it's tomorrow, the 18th. So if anyone's watching, I'll be on there. I'm not sure whether I'll go live on that, because I was having a little bit of trouble with the live stream just gone. When I was down on the lower end of 80 meters, the 80 meters SSB, it would knock out the stream. If I was on the higher end of the 80 meter SSB, the stream seemed to be fine. So I might not do a stream tomorrow. I might just record it and then put it up. But on that one, thank you for watching.